What are some important parts of a map?
Most maps should have a title, a legend, some type of grid system, a direction finder, and a system of measuring distances on the map. The title tells the person looking at it what information is presented on the map. It could show political boundaries, population centers, resources in a country, physical features, or numerous other items of information. Maps use symbols to represent things on the earth, such as cities, rivers, roads, resources, etc. These symbols could be letters, numbers, lines, colors, dots, or small drawings or pictures. These symbols are explained in the map's legend or key. The terms legend and key refer to the same thing. A grid, as stated before, is a series of lines used to find exact locations of places on a map. A geographic grid uses latitude and longitude lines, but a grid could also use letters and numbers to delineate boxes or general areas on a map. It is important for people to be able to tell directions on a map. That is why most maps have some type of direction finder. Sometimes it is only an arrow pointing north. From this you can figure out the other directions. Other maps have a more elaborate configuration called a compass rose. A compass rose usually shows the cardinal directions of north, south, east, and west. A compass rose can also show the intermediate directions of northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Early cartographers drew very elaborate and artistic compass roses on their maps. Every map should also have a scale. Scale shows the relationship between the distance on a map and the actual distance on the Earth. Scale can be represented or shown in three ways. It can be shown as a fraction or a ratio, such as 1 to 2. This ratio means that 1 unit on the map is equal to 2 units of distance on the Earth. Scale can also be given in a verbal manner, such as 1 inch equals 1 mile. The third way scale is shown is by a graphic scale. This is the most common type of scale. It is a bar scale which looks like a ruler. The scale of a map is determined by how much detail the cartographer wants to fit onto the map, and by the size of the area covered. A large-scale map shows a great amount of detail, such as a city map. A map of a continent, or even the entire world, is called a small-scale map, and it cannot show as much detail as the city map.